How to make boomerang video from camera roll on Instagram. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to make boomerang video from camera roll on Instagram. So first is you have to go to your Play Store and just type in Instagram there. And if you'll see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. Now, as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my Instagram application is updated. Now, if it's updated, we can now start with our tutorial. So first is you have to go to your Instagram here. Now, it will lead you directly here to your home page. So all you want to do is to swipe left to right. And then as you can see here, you could actually post a story. And then next is on the left side, you will see a boomerang icon there. You tap on that. And then what you want to do next is to choose a video from your camera roll. So on the bottom part, you will see this uploads and just pick any video there. Now on the upper right, you will see the three dots there. You tap on that. Now if you will see three options such as draw, save, and boomerang, that means that your Instagram application is not yet updated. So actually Instagram has created a new update. They actually removed the boomerang. So you can't convert or you can't make your videos into boomerang anymore. But if you really want to create your video into boomerang, all you want to do is to go to your Play Store and then just search for boomerang. Here, boomerang. And then you could choose any application and convert your videos into boomerang, and then you can actually post it to your Instagram account. So basically that is how you make boomerang video from camera roll on Instagram. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.